In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enter director mode here in GTA 5 story mode. Before we do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you don't know what director mode does, it lets you take control of almost any character in the game and gives you full creative freedom to make custom scenes, videos, and screenshots. To get started, what you're going to want to do is actually open up the interaction menu. So on PC, hit M. On PlayStation, press and hold that touchpad. Or on Xbox, just press and hold the view button. And once your interaction menu is opened up, go ahead and scroll down to director mode and select it, and then hit OK to launch it just like so. Hit OK again, and it's going to go ahead and take you to a page that looks something like this, where you go ahead and get through really any of the characters here in GTA 5, and you can go ahead and make them look however you would really like. Like, let's go ahead and say we want to run this one right here, right? Once you're in this, you can really do whatever you would like to go ahead and do. You can open up the director mode to, allow you to go back to the scene creator, and this will let you switch where you are as well as your character and whatnot. And there is a ton of different freedom stuff that you can do, and it's definitely worth messing around just to see all the options because there is a lot. If you guys did have any questions about directed mode, go ahead and ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace. I did not realize that was gonna kill the cat. That's so sad.